Finding a TV in the market right now and also have a decent or a nice TV stand that has a fireplace built into it. And I think it's a good idea. I mean, if you just go ahead and look around in the market right now, you can actually get this for like $350 and also get the TV less than $1,000. I mean, you can get a TV stand and also a TV, a 65 inches for like total is about, I would say, almost $1,000 if you just look around in the web, and there's options out there. So this is what I picked, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show it to you guys and what I got. So I got this LG NanoCell AI ThinQ. I mean, you can get this at BJ's, you can go in the web or Best Buy, but I got this on sale for like around $600 something, and this one is a 2020, the latest model, and yeah, so I got this for around that price, and I also just look around and I like LG TVs. And this one right here just got to my eye, especially for the price that I paid for. And I think right now it's still worth like 1,000, or you can get it for less. But if you look on the web, or sometimes the sale might come back, you can actually get this for cheaper. Um, the vessel on this one is super thin, and of course it's a nano cell, so all your colors are gonna pop up. So if you have a drone footage or anything like that, it's gonna be awesome on this TV. But it just, people are getting the 65 inches. I mean, it's I think if you're gonna go bigger than that, it's just heavy, I would say. Wow. You can get this TV stand with the electric fire in it. I mean, you can get this at wayfair.com. You can get it for a good price. But it took a bit to put this together, but it's, make the TV looks awesome, I would say. This ideal got me from those houses like tiny homes or RVs. And actually now, they're so like
Storage.
very and expensive, and you can go to wafer.com and you can get different color, and you can get like this, you got different storage in here. I mean, and it has a heater in it, so I think it's a way to go, and it just fit perfect with my TV. So you want to make sure that you want to get the size for your TV. Say for instance, if you get like 70 inches or 65 inches or 55 or 20 inches or whatever size you're getting, you make sure that the stand is about the same. It's made for that TV, okay? I got this TV at BJ's for I think around 650 or something like that, or 620, but everything's like 650. So, and I even put insurance in it just in case my son, because I got a 1-year-old, just in case he throws something on the screen, it should be protected. So that's what I did. But yeah, it's just super bright. I mean, there's a lot of options out there, but I'm just trying to find a TV for what I need it for, and also it's gonna come with a nice stand, and I finally found it. So yeah, again, I just want to say, just look it up there on the website, and I know you probably can find a better price out there. But just be smart what you're looking for, because there's a lot of options out there. There's more out there. It's like, if you're gonna spend like $1,000, might as well have with the stand. And again, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.